Sa iba pang mga balita, pinagkaguluhan sa Media Day ng NBA Global Games sa Pasay si Jeremy Lin ng Houston Rockets, na kilala rin bilang Linsanity. Ang kanya namang bagong teammate na si Dwight Howard naglabas ng saloobin ukol sa negatibong pagtingin ng publiko sa pag-alis niya sa Los Angeles Lakers. Live mula sa Pasay City, may report si Chino Trinidad. Chino?
Dagdag ko pa, Ma'am Jess, at least yung era namin, inabot namin yung Larry Bird. At ito pong usapan na ito, kung kayo ay basketball fan for the last, say, 30 or 40 years, itong araw na to ay parang dream come true para sa marami sa amin. Karamihan ng atensyon ay napunta sa magiging bagong mukha ng Indiana Pacers na si Paul George. Nakapipirma lamang ng maximum contract bago pumunta ng Pilipinas.
I'm not coming into this year knowing that I have to play well to get everything out of my contract. You know, I'm coming into this year to continue to keep doing what got me my contract, and that was the hard work and putting the time in and, you know, making sure I'm a professional for this team.
Nakamamangha namang makita ang isang alamat ng NBA na ngayon ay presidente ng Pacers na si Larry Bird, na hands-on sa pagturo sa kanilang all-star power forward ni si David West.
A lot of times, you know, at this professional level, a lot of guys think that they know it all, they have all the answers. But you got to be humble enough to understand that there are people that came before you that, you know, had skills and you know, have things that you can use. So more often than not, you have to be a better listener. You know, be able to receive information the right way.
Dinumog naman ng media si Jeremy Lin. Di pinalampas ang pagkakataon na makapagpa-picture kay Linsanity. Ngunit ang tunay na storya ng Media Availability Day 1 ay si Dwight Howard, na hindi alam ng karamihan ay nasa ikalawang pagbisita na sa Pilipinas.
Is this for me?
Yeah, for you.
You gotta find a. I want to take the guys on a tour.
All right.
And one
we'll
of the
ride
buses,
this one.
on one of the buses like this.
You'll drive. We have one outside.
I'll drive. Just make sure that we're safe.
Sa gitna ng kanyang pagiging most hated player dahil sa paglisa niya sa LA Lakers upang sumanib sa Rockets, ay nagbuhos ng kanyang saloobin si Dwight sa GMA News.
Last season, you know, coming off a major surgery, you know, I don't think a lot of people understand the severity of a back injury, and they just pay attention to the negative. With the injury I had, you know, it takes some time to really heal from it, not just, you know, physically but mentally. You know, it's a big injury, and just because I had the big muscles and stuff like that, you know, people thought that it was nothing major, you know, but it's a very tough process that I had to go through.
Bilang pagtanaw ng utang na loob, pinamahagi naman ng coaching staff ng Rockets at ng Pacers ang pinakahuling kaalaman ng libre sa ating mga Pinoy coaches. Ito daw ang pinakamagandang paraan ng pasasalamat ng NBA sa ating mga basketball fans.
It's awesome to come to a place like this that really respects and takes in the game and knows everybody through 1 through 15 on your roster, and the cab driver last night knew everybody on our team. And
You took a cab?
yeah, so
You did, huh? You survived your first night.
yeah, we had security, just riding shotgun, but it's just crazy how passionate and how the hospitality is unbelievable here.
Imagine mo si Chandler Parsons at yung karamihan ng mga players nagsipagkuha ng taxi na masyal sapagkat alam nila safe sila dito, walang gagalaw sa kanila. This is a showcase not just of basketball, but kung ano ang kakayanan ng mga Pilipino na mag-stage ng ganito kalaking event.
Sayang, di mo ako naihingi ng autograph kay Linsanity. Pag may pagkakataon ka ha,
Hindi, manood na
pakipirma.
lang kayo, ma'am, dito.
Ang mahal yata ng ticket eh. Magkano ba yung ticket dyan?
Ay, okay, ito. Buti na lang kinuha ko ng GMA para magbalita. Kasi hindi ko ma-afford magbayad ng 54,000 para
My
makaupo
God.
sa courtside.
Nako.
Okay na sa akin nakatayo. Dahil yung susunod na spasyo doon, 37,000. Hindi ko pa rin kaya. Kahit na anong buru-buruin ko. Kahit nakatayo, libre, dahil media ID. Pero ito ang nakakalungkot dito, Ma'am Jess. Gusto ko lang isingit. Sa ganda na pinapakita natin, meron kami nakuhang balita dito na merong isang media practitioner sa isang cable network na ibinenta sa black market yung kanyang, may binigay ho sa aming media ID dito eh. Nakakalungkot doon sa baka sinusubukan ipangalagaan itong reputasyon ng Pilipinas na maririnig ng mga bisita natin, yung mga Pilipino gano'n. Sana wag ho gano'n yung asal natin kasi dito pinapakita natin sa buong mundo ang mga Pilipino mararangal na tao. Sayang.
O basta ihingi mo na lang ako ng autograph kay Linsanity. Maraming salamat
Ay,
sa iyo.
sige. Ako na lang po bang pipirma.
Okay. Diyan sa likod, kahit yung t-shirt mo ha. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Chino Trinidad.